this is Stella from My Kindergarten, and today I would like to talk to you about using glue trays in the classroom. Glue trays are super easy to use, they're convenient, and I feel like they're a lot less messy than using the bottles of glue or glue sticks. So super easy to make. I just purchased the gallon of glue. Pour a little in the bottom of each tray. And you just put in your sponges. I like to dampen mine a little bit. The ones that I purchased from Amazon are already kind of pre-dampened. I think it just helps them to soak in the glue a little better. Just throw them in the tray. And then put a little glue on top. Now before we use these in the classroom, I do let these sit for a while so that they can absorb the glue into the sponges. Makes it a lot less messy. Then you snap on the tops, let them sit, and then they'll be ready to go when you're ready to do a craft. Now when the kids go to use these, once the glue is absorbed into the sponge, super easy. They just take whatever they're going to glue, push it onto the sponge, and stick it to their paper. Super easy. I hope you give it a try. Please go ahead and like, share out, and follow me. Take care.